In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a Wells Fargo Zelle Payee recipient. Whether you're tidying up your list of recipients or simply no longer need to send money to a certain person, this guide will help you remove them from your Zelle list on the Wells Fargo app with ease. So let's dive right in. First, begin by opening the Wells Fargo mobile app. Locate the Wells Fargo icon on your smartphone and give it a tap to launch. You'll be greeted by the login screen where you should enter your username and password. Ensure that your login details are correct, as this will help you seamlessly access your account and navigation features within the app. Now that you're logged in, the next step is to head to the Pay and Transfer section. This option is conveniently situated on the app's bottom menu. Simply tap on Pay and Transfer to gain access to your payment and transfer options, which include managing your Zelle contacts. Within the Pay and Transfer menu, you're going to select Zelle. It's one of the listed options, and selecting it will direct you to Zelle's various functionalities. You'll notice an area labeled Recipients or Manage Recipients. This is where you'll find all your saved Zelle contacts. Touching this section brings up a list of recipients, making it easy for you to manage them. Once you see your list of payees, it's time to choose the one you want to delete. Scan through your recipients and tap on the specific name or email of the payee you wish to remove. Make sure you have selected the correct recipient to avoid accidentally deleting someone you still intend to use. With the recipient now selected, look for the option to Delete Recipient. Most frequently, it will appear as either Delete or Remove Recipient. Tapping this option initiates the process of deletion. But wait, before the action is completed, you'll be prompted to confirm your decision. The final step in this process is to confirm the deletion. A prompt will ask you to verify your decision by tapping Yes or Confirm. Once confirmed, the Zelle Payee will be permanently deleted from your contacts and the recipient will no longer appear in your Zelle recipient list. It's that simple. Removing recipients you no longer need helps keep your app organized and ensures that only current and necessary contacts remain on your list. This process should be straightforward and quick, allowing you to maintain a more streamlined digital finance experience. If you found this tutorial helpful, feel free to explore more of our guides for managing your electronic banking efficiently. Thank you for watching, and we hope to see you in our next video.